Hello, I am Dr. Mario Wong, a specialist in geriatric health. And today I want to talk to you about something that many people feel, but very few truly understand. Before we go any further, I want to ask you for something simple but powerful. If you have ever felt tingling, burning, numbness, or weakness in your hands or feet, I want you to go to the comments right now and write this exact phrase. I want to take care of my nerves. Do it now, because that small action is the first step toward awareness and change. Now let's talk about what's really going on in your body. Many people come to me worried, confused, and sometimes even scared. They describe sensations that are hard to explain, like walking on cotton, feeling electric shocks in their legs, or a burning pain in their feet that gets worse at night. And often, they've been told the same thing. It's normal, it's your age, or it's just diabetes. They're given a pill to numb the pain and sent home. But I want to be very clear with you. Those symptoms are not something you should just accept. Your body is not betraying you. It is trying to communicate with you. Think of your nervous system like the electrical wiring in a house. Your brain is the control center, and from there, millions of tiny wires travel throughout your body. These wires carry signals that allow you to feel, move, and function. Now, each of those wires has a protective coating called myelin, which works like insulation. When that insulation is strong, signals travel smoothly. But when it becomes weak or damaged, the signals become distorted. And that distortion is exactly what you feel as tingling, burning, numbness, or even pain. That is what we call neuropathy. Now you might be wondering, why does this damage happen? Yes, diabetes is one of the most common causes because high blood sugar slowly damages those nerves. But it is not the only cause. Alcohol, certain medications, infections, autoimmune conditions, and something that is often overlooked, nutrient deficiencies, can all play a major role. And this is where things get really interesting, because your body builds and maintains your nerves using nutrients from the food you eat. If something is missing, the system starts to fail. There is a group of vitamins known as the neurotropic complex, vitamin B1, B6, and B12, that are essential for nerve health. And today, I want to focus especially on one of them, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is like an engineer for your nervous system. It helps produce neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers in your brain, like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. These control your mood, your movement, and even how calm or anxious you feel. It also supports the maintenance of myelin and helps your nerve cells produce energy. So naturally, you might think, if it's so important, I should take more of it. But here's where I need you to pay close attention, because this is something that confuses many people. With vitamin B6, both too little and too much can cause nerve damage. Yes, you heard that right. A deficiency can lead to neuropathy, but so can an excess. And this happens more often than you think. People start taking supplements with good intentions. A multivitamin here, a magnesium supplement there, a B complex for energy, and without realizing it, they are taking high doses of B6 every single day. Over time, that can become toxic to the nerves, causing the very symptoms they are trying to fix. That's why I always say this. Vitamin B6 is not candy. It is a powerful tool, and it must be used wisely. So what is the solution? The answer is balance. And in most cases, that balance comes from real food. Nature already designed the perfect doses for your body. Foods like fish, chicken, bananas, potatoes, avocados, spinach, nuts, seeds, and whole grains provide the right amount of vitamin B6 without the risks of overdoing it. But we cannot forget that B6 does not work alone. It needs support. Vitamin B12 helps repair the protective layer of nerves, especially in older adults and people with diabetes. Vitamin B1 helps generate energy in nerve cells. Magnesium calms overactive nerves, and alpha-lipoic acid protects against damage, especially in diabetic neuropathy. When all of these elements work together in balance, your nervous system has a chance to stabilize, calm down, and in many cases, improve. Now, before we finish, I want to remind you of something very important. Supplements should only be taken when there is a confirmed deficiency and under medical supervision. Self-medicating can sometimes make things worse. And if this message is helping you understand your body better, I want you to take another moment and go to the comments and write again. I want to take care of my nerves. Because not only does it help this message reach more people, it reinforces your commitment to your own health. Remember this: neuropathy is not always a life sentence. Very often it is a sign of imbalance. And when you understand what your body needs and what it doesn't, you can change the direction. Your nerves need care, patience, and the right nutrients, not quick fixes or random pills. I am Dr. Mario Wong, and it has been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you in the next video.